Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually gonna go hang out, so create something cute, simple. So if you want to see what do I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. This is from Makiage, and it is the High Point Bronzer Blush and Highlighter Trio. Palette looks like so. So this is the blush. No, this is the blush, bronzer, and then the highlighters over top. So we have no palette, but I feel like I'm gonna make a look out of this. So first we're gonna go in with the bronzer. We're gonna go in with the bronzer. I wonder if there was just one shade, because I don't know, man, if this is gonna bronze me. So this is a T4 for Makeup Shack. I don't know, this looks much darker in the pan than it is on my lid, but it's okay. And just keep tapping. I don't know, I might just leave it like this. Whoa. And then this is L16, and then this is from LA Los Angeles brand. I'm just gonna tap it here. I feel like this look is becoming very softy, but it's fine. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and for my primer today, I'm gonna use this OleHenriksen Truth Banana Brightening Face Primer. I haven't used this in a minute. I'm feeling this expired. Oh, I'm terrible with that, so don't follow that. Let's use this Dose of Color foundation. I think this foundation is a little light for me, but it's the Dose of Colors foundation Meteor Hue. And I'm using my Flawless foundation brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. First, I'm gonna use the Pretty Fresh Color Pop concealer right here. I'm gonna use the Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer from Danessa Myricks to I need a brush. I'm gonna use this brush from Melt Cosmetics. So this is a concealer, but I'm using it as a contour. Guys, don't be scared to, like, if you have a product that can be used for multiple use. I actually bought this to use as a concealer. I did not realize the shade. I don't know what I was thinking when I got the shade. Oops. But yeah, I'm gonna make it work as a contour. I could return it, but sometimes I want to, like, use concealers for this for when I'm traveling, because, you know, it's less bulky. I don't know, I feel like this looks a little patchy. And then to blend that out, I'm gonna use a Slick Blush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm also gonna use the MV108 brush from Morphe. We're gonna use this to blend the color pop. Color my nose. And then I'm gonna use my little, nope, this is gonna be too dark. I'm gonna use my Prism Libre from Giorgio Armani, I think. Not Giorgio Armani. Oh, no. Givenchy. Wrong? Oh my god. I don't know why I would say Giorgio Armani, maybe because of the G, but I don't have any setting powder from Giorgio Armani. So the fact that I would say that is wild. And this powder is not new, I've had it for a minute and I actually like it, so. No darling, it's Givenchy. This powder is heaven. Like it is so fine. And it gives you that airbrush finish. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this powder from the TYS, and then this is, so it was two different companies. This is TYS, and I guess this is LYS. Yep, TYS, to set the rest of my face. Let's see how dark this is gonna look. And then this is I like this. This reminds me of the Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. I like this a lot, and that's one of my favorite powders. So if I'm saying I like it, I like it a lot. Okay, now to bronze the face, I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette. This I also got in my BoxyCharm. It is the Makiage High Point Bronzer and Brush Highlighter palette, and this one is the dark. I don't know. I'm confused because I don't know. So this is the bronzer. It looks really dark in the pan, but guys, it does not look dark in person, so we will see. I mean, is it bronzing me? For sure, like, but I don't know how this is dark. This palette, I mean, it works, right? My only issue is that, like, look at all this space and it's just like 4 shades in here. Like, I thought it was gonna be like multiple blushes, multiple bronzing shades. Nope. Like the bare minimum. And for blush, we're gonna go ahead and use this shade, which is Wink. Oh, and the bronzer was, I guess, Ring Up. Nope. The bronzer was Mystery or Majesty. Too soon. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and use, I'm just gonna mix these 2 shades. This is cute. I don't like how much like space it has, and then there's nothing in there really, so I'm like, nope. too much wasted space. Okay, to line my lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So this is actually from Makeup Forever. I have this liner, but I just have it in a regular lip liner. So this one is the Extreme, and it's Limitless Brown. And over top, I'm gonna put the LYS in lipstick in shade Sincere. I really like this combo. Oh, and there's one thing I'm gonna use. I also got in my BoxyCharm. It's the Laura Mercier eye pencil in shade Dark Plum. I'm not gonna put some pencil. I'm not gonna put anything else under my eye, on my waterline. So I went down a little bit lower because I'm gonna just kind of smudge it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna use this and just put a little in my water, not in a corner, sorry. Yeah, we're just gonna bando it up. I have so many of these bandos, it's crazy. Okay, so that's it. That's how everything looks. You know, very soft look. I actually used my bronzer and my highlighter to create this look. So something, you know, nice and simple. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Don't know what to do with you, but why not?